So what I did, as a genuine idiot, I managed to break this one out from the electric fuel pump. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but what I did, I used some super glue like this. But make sure that you can blow through it, and you can suck it up. I know it's not the healthiest thing in the world to do, but you can do it like this. Now we're gonna remove this part and replace it with this part. And how we're gonna do that? And here it should be quite simple. Yes. Cool. Neighbors.
Batteri.
Which?
Hadi alıp amine.
Okay. We're gonna remove this one. I mean, this should be quite simple. Make sure you do this. Remove 3-4 screws and hold this mechanism together with to the fuel pump. And now what you need to do is take out the pliers from your toolbox and remove there are 2 white wires, and we're gonna make sure to know exactly which one you need to remove. And we're gonna do it like this. Or there's a second way of doing it. Let me get the pliers. No, you don't need to go into the Good. Get these ready, and I'm going to be able to tell exactly which wires to remove by using experience. Check this out. This go again. Okay. Let's check out this pump that I removed. So these 2 are missing. So I'm going to remove these 2. Check this out. So I'm going to replicate what I did on this one. Remove these 2 wires. That should be quite simple. Straightforward. Take the wire. Nice Volvo truck. Nothing is really working out for me today. Just have to film me. Not good thing. Try to okay. One gone, and the other one gone. I bet the manufacturers didn't really think this process. But yeah, it should work. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove all the wires from here, and then finally we're gonna remove the white. Wow, that went out quite well. So there's a spring which you need to use to detach another, the new part, the new old part. Okay, doesn't really look too good. Everything is fine. Here, what I did, this was the wrong way. Yeah, that's something myself. No. Keep in mind, these two, they need to click. Watch out for the wires. So if I can do this, and if I do this, then by God, it's great. Everybody can do this. And I'm not. There we have it. Now it's in. What we need to do is get all of these wires back in. Now. And we need a new set of wires for the one here. So the guidelines. The bottom one in first. Push it. So now it's all in. And let's see, will I be able to use this pump at all? Now get the screws back into the place. So in theory, I mean, this job, the way I'm doing it, it looks dirty. But again, for me, cars, if it's not the looks, then you can do it just right and just enough. No need to go to the great lengths to get something perfect when it doesn't have to be perfect. It has to work. This is important, this part, because it will leave you strangled in the road. That's why I'm a bit worried about this fix, and will it work, or it's just gonna, I don't know.